There are numerous reasons why you would want to use a password for an exam or a quiz. Just one of those is that you would probably get a lot of kids who are asking for exceptions to the rule and saying, I missed it. My sister had a dentist appointment that ran long, and could you open it back up for me? So, with that in mind, if you create passwords for your assessments, it'll make things easier to manage. So, when you have your assessments pulled up, like in this sample class, you're going to want to click on Manage Assessment and Edit Settings. And you can also do this when you're first setting up your assessment. So we're going to take a look at it and we're going to say, you know what, I want to put a password on this and I want to put a couple of passwords on it. And I'll tell you why in just a minute, but we're going to click Restricted Access and save. Now the restricted access means that there is a password for taking the exam. So what we're going to do is we're going to add one. We're going to say, you know what, I want my password for taking the exam to be, let's just make it something easy like exam in all caps. And I want to create dates. So for this particular test, this is going to be open from the 22nd of August all the way till the 28th of August. So that's the whole week. And we're going to click Save. This will make it so that students using this password can only take the exam during that time. It's restricted to that time period. Now, I just know that somebody is going to contact me and say, can I please take it? I missed it. And I'm going to click Add Another Password for a makeup test. These can be any words that you choose. For this particular one, I'm going to make it makeup. And I'm going to say that it's valid anytime. So that means that I don't have to go back in and reopen this exam for particular students. I can just say, sure you can. You can use the password makeup. And I'll click Save there. Now, you see this other tab here. This creates a password for reviewing. So what this means is that after the student has taken a test or quiz, they can go in and they can see how they did. We're going to add this password. I always use review for the password here. I'm going to use the same one every time, so it's not difficult. It's not hard for students to remember. I'm going to make it available anytime. They can go in and take a look and see how they did. And I'm going to click Save. So again, we have this one. There's a green check that's active. That means it's open right now for review if the student were to take it. Same as the makeup. The one that's restricted is the exam, and that's due between these 2 days. Now remember, you're not going to give out this makeup password unless the exam is over, and they can't see how they did on the exam unless they've actually taken it.